Welcome to the unboxing and configuration video for the Tapo C200 pan and tilt home security Wi-Fi camera. When you open the package, you should find the Tapo C200 camera, a quick start guide, a power adapter, and mounting accessories inside. You can set your camera up on a flat surface or mount it to a wall. So first you have to set up the camera. You'll need a Wi-Fi connection and a smartphone to configure it. To start, you'll have to download the Tapo camera app. When you enter the interface, you need to register or log into your account. Plug in the camera and select the Tapo C200 in the app. The camera's LED should alternately blink green and red. If it doesn't, reset it. The camera has a Wi-Fi signal, and you'll connect to it first. Then, you'll use the app to link it to your home network. Remember, you can only link to the 2.4 GHz band, and not the 5 GHz band. Now, your camera is set up. If you want to keep your videos in local storage, insert a micro SD card into this slot. It supports up to 128 gigabytes. Once you have inserted it, go to the camera settings and make sure local recording is enabled. And the SD card is set to loop recording. This makes it so new recordings overwrite previous recordings when storage is full. It's best if you format the SD card the first time you plug it in. Now, let's look at some of the controls and functions. Pan and tilt controls let you change the angle to look through the area. Motion detection will send you a push notification when motion is detected. You can tap into the app and see the live feed. Privacy mode lets you stop recording if you don't want things caught on video for a while. The interface will stop recording and the light will dim. You can also schedule recording times for periodic video. Go to the camera settings, and then the recording schedule. In the editing page, you can choose a specific period of time. Blue represents continuous recording, while orange represents motion-activated recording. If you want a more detailed view, long press the selected time and locate the scroll bar. When you want to review the video, just tap on the playback option. Choose a specific date and zoom in on the time logs to target a specific time. Have fun exploring the other functions in the app, and enjoy this small but powerful device.